Hello people, welcome. I am going to making a video of how to download Ace of Spades. So first you want to go to Google or whatever type of internet you have. Go to Google, type in Ace of Spades, and you go to download, Ace of Spades download, and you go to Ace of Spades Softnik, some shit, this one over here. This one here, it would have a voting thing on it. I personally think that it's a good site to download from. There's no I don't get any type of bugs and whatever those things are called. You just load up the page, you click on free download, safe download, whatever you call it, and you just click it again. Wait for it, and then it'll start coming. There we go. Wait for it to load. It doesn't take very long. And then you go show in folder. Oh, and this is, I'm using this, I'm on Vista. This does work for Windows 7. I'm pretty sure it works for Windows 7. Shit, does it take you forever? Why is it doing this? Okay, here we go. So, should be looking like this. Well, it should. And I'll just close down that. Open up this. Oh shit. Okay, and then it'll have it here. These are all the other games that I've downloaded that I don't play anymore. So, and you just click run. I'm gonna close that down. And once it does this, it might come up with another box behind it. Just drag it out. Hold up, it'll come up anytime soon. Coming up. Go. Is it coming? It's gonna come. Come up. I know you want to. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, it's taking forever. Gosh. Come on. No, I don't want to do any notes. Come on. Seriously, why is it taking this long? Ooh, okay, there we go. It'll come up with this thing here. You just click run again. And then it'll come up with this. And you click continue. And it'll load up. It usually doesn't take this long. And then it'll come up like this. And you just go accept. You go to custom if you want. I'm not downloading any of these. I'm not downloading. You can it gives you some other sites that you can download. But yeah, I don't want to download it. See, it's not really a big file. Very much. Well, that's what I think. And it just does that. Close that. Go next. That's the folder that's gonna be saved under. And then you got this. If you don't get this up, if you don't get this page here up, then just click on this one up over here, and then should come up. And it's not going very fast. We'll just open up this. Okay, so you went to that. This is just a site for other games that you can download, or you wanna. I don't know the password to cancel it. Ooh, well, you're dumb, ain't you? I'm just gonna close this down. And yeah, I can have a view readme file. Here it is. And those are just all of your stuff over here. Volume. You've got in-game volume. You've got sample world color, change block color, change weapon, send message, team chat, all chat, team. Oh, that's silly. And that's all. You just got instructions and some stuff in there. Okay, close this down, and I hope that helped you. It was very simple. And I hope you have a good day. Subscribe if you want to. I'll be putting up more videos later on. And have a good day. Goodbye, people.